Hi, this is the first line of Soul Station. So after the count in 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, we've got a drag. So I'm dragging the stick across the drum and then hitting with my other hand, followed closely by a bass drum, and then into the beat. So it sounds like this. Okay, and then we're playing just a normal jazz ride pattern with the feet going right, then left. And then the rhythm. So the bass drum along with that is going. If we put them together, and the final bar of that line, we've got 6 on the high tom and then 5 on the low tom. So we're playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it sounds like this, going from the previous bar. Okay, going on, you'll see we have a variation in the pattern at the end of the second line. So usually we're playing at the end of the second line, we've got an in-between bass drum on the and of beat 1 and 2. On the and of beat 1 going into beat 2. So we've got, and then the and of beat 3, we've got a bass drum again. We're moving between the high tom and the low tom. I'll do that again. Okay, the next line at the end, we've got this fill, which is a straightforward fill starting on beat 3, and what it is we've got the bass drum going, and we've got the snare and the tom-tom, low snare and tom-tom, snare and low tom-tom, sorry, playing triplets, 3-ander, 4-ander. With the bass drum, that's, so in the context of the bar that sounds like. Okay, and then this is important, we're going into a second style here. We've played the jazz style, which is the pattern. And now we're going into shuffle feel. The shuffle feel, we play 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going. So my feet are going right together, and along with that on top I'm playing. So that on beat 2 in this bar we have all 4 limbs together. We have both feet and both hands together playing this on beat 2. So we start with bass drum and ride cymbal, all 4 together, ride cymbal. The fill at the end of the first page uses ghost notes, and they're the smaller notes that you see there, but you'll see that we've got a rest on the first beat of the bar. So if I play 4 lots of triplets in one bar on a snare drum, it's going to sound like this: 1-ander, 2-ander, 3-ander, 4-ander. Now if I put some accents on the ah of each beat, it's going to sound like this: 1-ander, 2-ander, 3-ander, 4-ander. And then I change the sticking. So I'm going to change the sticking: 1-ander, 2-ander, 3-ander, 4-ander, with a rest on the first beat. Rest, 2-ander, 3-ander, 4-ander. So I'm playing left, left, right. The ghost notes are in my left hand, and the accent is in my right hand. So I'm going rest, 2-ander, 3-ander, 4-ander. Now if I move that between the snare and the tom-tom, the first tom-tom, it sounds like this: rest, 2-ander, 3-ander, 4-ander. Once again, rest, 2-ander, 3-ander, 4-ander. So I've just played and that has a consequence for the next bar that we play. because we've got to move from that tom-tom straight onto the ride cymbal pattern, which is... We're going back into the jazz style there. So going from bar 17, 18, 19, bar 20, where the fill is, I'm going to play rest. Okay, just one more thing before we go, and that is there are dashes in the music here. Don't know if you can see that. There are little dashes in the music. And what that means is that you're going to play exactly what you played in previous bars. So I'm playing the shuffle there, I'm just playing exactly the same again. Okay, so any questions, just send off an email to me on Glow, so you know where I am. Okay, bye.